Drying time for showers. Practically all the showers you'll be repairing will be located inside the dwelling and mechanical drying is always required. However, if you can get the homeowner to follow the customer care instructions and stop using the shower and clean it prior to arrival, then the amount of water in the substrate will be ideal for you to dry after cleaning quickly. Most showers you repair can be done so in a few hours, but occasionally you will get some showers which have had long-term leaks and you'll be required to dry them overnight or even over a few days before you can remove all the excess water. Here is two options. You'll probably do both of them depending on your circumstances or if there are multiple showers in a home that you're repairing. Option 1. After cleaning the shower, put a combination of a 500 watt halogen heat lamp and a small convection heater on the shower floor surface, being careful to place them in such a way that they will not heat each other up and catch fire. For efficiency, if only one shower is being repaired in the home, I often clean at the end of the day and leave the lights on for the owner to either turn them off when they go to bed or in the morning when they get up, so the surface has cooled by my arrival, depending on the amount of water and the owner's comfort levels. Or option 2. If there are two showers in the home, once I have cleaned the first one, I will put the combination of the lights and the heater on the surface while I clean the other shower. And usually by the time I return, the surface just needs a little bit of a heat gun on a grout joint or two and it's ready for the membrane application. If it's a long drive to return, it's obviously preferred to wait around for the surface to dry, opposed to going away and returning later. But this also depends on the amount of water in the substrate and if the environment is conducive to drying. Be careful to ensure that after doing mechanical drying that the surface of the tiles has cooled to room temperature before application of the membrane can begin.